Hey everyone, this is Dr. Sapneil from Sapneil Tutoring Incorporated. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 9th grade checklist, 10th grade checklist, 11th grade checklist, and 12th grade checklist for high schools, students that are applying to colleges, and what their parents and students should know about these checklists depending on where they are within their status within their high school. In the 9th grade, it's all about building a strong foundation, whether it's to academic excellence, course selection, extracurricular activities, starting the standardized testing process through the PSAT, or college awareness. In the 10th grade, it's about exploring interest and preparing for testing, whether it's to academic progress, extracurricular commitment, standardized test preparation, career exploration, and summer planning. In 11th grade, it's focused on college readiness. This is your most optimal year. Academic excellence is really important, maintaining a strong GPA with rigorous coursework, standardized testing such as the SAT, ACT, and CLT, college research, letters of recommendation, extracurricular leadership and character development, and most importantly, financial planning. 12th grade is navigating the application process. Everything comes together this year and you start applying to these universities. Finalizing a college list, application material, standardized testing, letters of recommendation, application submission, financial aid applications, and decision-making process. A successful timeline and making sure that from August up until July of every academic year, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th, and those can be found on our website and also on our new website, www.sapneiladmissionscounseling.ai, we will have a power score that will basically provide a score to every student in terms of their college readiness. We'll be listing a video on this as well as more information on this, but this is very important for parents to know in terms of college readiness and what those checklists look like. My name is Dr. Sapneil, and for the past 15 years, my team and I have helped over 10,000 students in the areas of test prep, academic subject tutoring, cognitive testing, and so much more. If you'd like to learn how your child can get ready for these college checklists, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at the number listed below or by email. Thank you so much.